Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to convert an Excel file into a CSV file. CSV files are needed because these files are universally compatible, lightweight, and often required for uploading data to systems, software tools, or databases. Let's start doing it.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have the sales data of different products, and if I want to save this file in the form of a CSV format, I have to go to the file option, and here I will choose save a copy. After this, I will choose the place where I would like to save it, and after this I'll give name to this file, and after giving name I will click on this little arrow to open various file format options in front of me. Here I'll select this CSV delimited format, and then I'll press save. Now you can see that Excel has notified me that some features might be lost if you save this workbook in CSV format, but that's okay for this type of file. Now I am going to close this file and I will show you where I have stored it. So here you can see that I have two files saved with the same name. This file is the Microsoft Excel worksheet that I have created originally, and the second file is the Microsoft Excel separated value files. This CSV file can be opened with the help of Notepad. I will right click on it, and under open with I will select Notepad. So you can see that my data is stored with the help of comma delimiter, and I can open this with the help of Notepad. Here I would also like to add some tips for you. The first one is this, that CSV files don't support multiple sheets. Only the active sheet will be saved. Secondly, formatting like colors, font and borders would not carry over. And lastly, always double check your data after conversion. I'm going to close it. Another thing to notice is the file size. You can see that the CSV files are much lighter as compared to the Microsoft Excel files. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment if you have any question or want to see more Excel tips. See you next time.